And that is how we are seeing pandemic is going on. All the experts have advised that everyone should get yourself vaccinated to protect yourself. So everybody is going and getting themselves vaccinated, so that the doctors say that if you get yourself vaccinated, you may fall sick, but you will not become seriously sick. But so many people are double vaccinated, and yet they are getting the disease, pandemic is going and affecting them, and they are dying also. That is also happening. So the doctors very conveniently, they brush it off, saying that no, that is because his immunity was compromised, or he had some other comorbidity, or that is some breakthrough case. They'll give some explanation and close it. But reality is what? You can never tell with 100% guarantee that this medicine will cure you without fail. You cannot say. Nartasya chagadam udanvato majjato nauhu. You may think that somebody is drowning in the ocean, and if a boat comes to him, the boat can rescue him. Actually, the rescuing of the drowning man, the cause of the rescuing of the drowning man is not the boat. Because if there is a small tempest, if there is a small wave also, that whole boat itself will capsize. Then you are back into the waters. So even the boat is not the real cause of safety for a drowning man in an ocean. So what in essence Prahlad Maharaj is saying is, unless the Supreme Lord acts, unless the Supreme Lord sanctions, iha anjaseshtas, we may find out some remedy which appears to quickly act. I got a headache, go and take an aspirin. By evening I start feeling better. I got a cold, go and take some paracetamol or some other tablet. After 2-3 days, I start feeling okay. So ihanja seshtas. So it looks like very quickly I can get remedies within this material world. But unless the Supreme Lord sanctions, that remedy cannot act. This is the reality. So the Supreme Lord is the real cause of protection. So although the Brahmanas and Kshatriyas know that they are supposed to protect each other, their dependence for protection is on the Supreme Lord, not on their own efforts. So this understanding has to be there. We should not get carried away thinking that, okay, I am the Kshatriya, I am protecting all these people, this is a Brahmana, he is protecting me. So we each other, by our arrangement, we can always remain happily. No. So there is something even beyond that. The reason for the arrangements of a Kshatriya and a Brahmana to protect each other working well is the pleasure of the Supreme Lord. When the Supreme Lord sees Varnashrama Charavata Purushena Parappuman Aradhyate Nanya Tattosha Karanam. When the Supreme Lord is pleased looking at the cooperation of the two classes of all the social orders, Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra, in achieving the ultimate spiritual goal of going back to Godhead, when the Lord is pleased by these cooperative efforts, then the Lord sanctions the protection. This is the reality.